You will not believe some of the clients I've had. I adore all of them. And it's fun to see them come to me the first meeting and say, Jacqueline, I don't know why people in my team feel like I'm intimidating. And I look at them and I say, I know exactly why they think that. What's going on right here is not very inviting. It's fun because that's the work that a lot of us have to do. We need to get our internal emotional dynamic to match the outside and vice versa. When we feel a disconnect in our business, in our relationships at home with ourselves, where the outside is reflecting something different, there is a disconnect and we feel it in our interpersonal interactions. This is the work I do with my clients. It's not only voice, it's presence. It's how you show up with your face, your body language, your tone of voice. This has a different impression than this. And you can make these choices on how you show up. If you're interested in filling in these gaps of disconnect so that you feel more connected to your clients and your team, send me a message and let's work on this together.